Thanks for joining us for a very special episode of the Win It Minute. We're here in Sarasota, Florida at the Ringling Brothers Circus and Hall of Fame.
Ladies and gentlemen, children of all ages, welcome to the greatest show on earth!
And you know, what better place to talk about having a positive mental attitude than at the circus? It reminds me of being a child and having this childlike wonder and curiosity. And it dawned on me that, you know, being curious in life and always learning and yearning to try new things is very important to having a positive mental attitude. You gotta break out of your comfort zone. So the quote I wanna jump into right away is, yesterday is history, tomorrow is a mystery, but today is a gift. And that's why it's called the present. Never forget that every single day is a gift. It's like going to the circus. You can experience new things every single day in this world. You don't have to go through the same mundane routine. You can change it up, try new things, have that childlike curiosity. I'm so amazed with what my children every single day are learning. And they're learning because they're curious and they're asking questions and they're excited to learn. That's the most important thing. You have to be excited to learn new things, and you do that and you grow as you go. I learned a great example the other day when I was running around the neighborhood trying to corral all the kids, and I was there with my friend and neighbor, and we were wearing ourselves out trying to tell, hey, don't run this way, hey, don't run that way, don't pick that up. And we're trying to tell them, don't do this, don't do that, and we were wearing ourselves out until I said, heck with this, let's try and get down and play their game. So I got down, I started playing their game, chasing them around. Got the claw. We started chasing each other around, and what do you know? It was so much easier when I got down and got on their level and joined their team, per se, and chased them around, that they were watching me and watching my every move, and we were adapting to each other. That was much easier to control them that way and to have fun in the meantime. So get out there, have a childlike curiosity like you did when you were at the circus as a young kid, and enjoy every day, because it is truly a present.